From smart rings to AI-powered earbuds and flying selfie cameras, this month's tech is next level. If you love cool, futuristic gadgets, you won't want to miss this. Welcome to Faymotivation. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 tech gadgets of the month. Gear that's not just trending, but redefining how we live, work, and play. First up, the Humane AI Pin. Imagine a screenless AI assistant you wear like a brooch. It projects info onto your palm, you can control it with your voice, and it packs the power of ChatGPT. Talk about futuristic. Next, the much-awaited Galaxy Ring. This sleek, lightweight gadget is packed with sensors that track your sleep, heart rate, and fitness, all without a screen. Samsung's taking health tech to the next level. This mini action camera is a game-changer for vloggers and travelers. The Insta360 GO 3 sticks anywhere, captures smooth video and comes with a detachable touchscreen. It's pocket-sized power at its best. Meet the Rabbit R1. Imagine a phone but smarter. It can play music, order food, plan your day, and more. Using AI, it learns your habits and makes your life easier. Plus, it's super compact. And finally, for the creators, the DJI Avata 2. This upgraded FPV drone captures stunning cinematic footage. It's lightweight, fast, and VR-friendly, making it perfect for immersive content creation. These gadgets prove that the future is already here, and it's fun, smart, and stylish. Which one would you try first? If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Faymotivation for more awesome tech updates every week.